Okay, nope, nope. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing, which is probably just as surprising as the fact that I didn't actually go to Harvard. I just like to collect sweatshirts from colleges I didn't attend. Well, I guess today technically we're going to be doing 2 unboxings, and the only reason for that is because I basically have 0% memory, and I still have the box from last month, aka last year, that I forgot to unbox. So today we're going to be doing 2 Macy's beauty box unboxings. And what makes this super fun is that, like I said, I have 0% memory. So I have both boxes here in front of me, and I have legitimately no idea which one is which. So it's just going to be a little bit of a surprise when I open it up, whether it's January or December. I can tell you one thing right now though, this box is extra heavy. I don't know if that helps at all, but it's something. The Macy's Beauty Box, those of you who do not know, is a $15 a month subscription, and it sends like 5 or 6 beauty and makeup-y type samples. I'm just going to randomly select this box first. It looks like it's been through some stuff, nice and squished in here, so I figure why not go ahead and open it up first. I'm already pretty excited about what is inside this box just based on this one little thing in there, which I'll show you guys in just a second. So there's a little pamphlet that tells you everything inside of it right on the front, so it ruins the surprise just a little bit. But inside of here, it will tell you about all of the items, and it also gives you a coupon. And this month we have a $10 off coupon, or one of the months. Oh, I got the right one. So this is January's, but look at this. These things were so popular a little while back, but I still think they're absolutely adorable. It's like you get a little fuzzy friend on your makeup bag. I can see this getting dirty immediately. Other than that, we just have a clear little baggie here. I have been collecting up all my bags because I'm going to be filling them with things and donating them somewhere, so this one will probably be donated as well. Alrighty, the very first thing we have here is a I'm Lemon Gel Eye Patch from Tony Moly, and this is supposed to be nice and brightening. This seems like it would be a super refreshing, hydrating little under eye mask. I am actually pretty excited that this is going to be skincare and like anti-aging related, because typically I really prefer like makeup stuff, but just like today, I looked at myself in the mirror and thought, you're looking a little crusty. So I am definitely trying to focus a little bit more on like taking care of my skin. I put on like 7 different serums today, probably not supposed to do that. So hopefully in 2019 I can take care of my poor skin a little bit better. Alright, so the rest of our products are wrapped up in this little roll here. Okay, so first up here, I think is just honestly standard for Macy's Beauty Box. I can't remember the last time I received one of these without a product from Philosophy in it. Just, it's like every single time. But this one is the Anti-Wrinkle Miracle Worker Primer. Oh, it's a primer. This is supposed to be a line correcting primer, and if it can like fix this right here, my like confused face line in the middle of my forehead, that would be absolutely amazing. So here we have the little tube of primer, and I definitely don't think I own any type of primer that is supposed to be like anti-aging. That's something very new for me. And you're just supposed to apply this like regular primer over moisturizer and then apply your makeup on top of it. So this I would definitely give a try. All right, next over here we have the perfume sample, and this month's perfume is Daisy by Marc Jacobs. It's just your standard little spritzer. I have several different bottles of like the Daisy line of perfume. They're all set up over there like a little family, and they're really cute. I like the little plastic flowers that come on the caps. So that is what it would look like if you were to buy the full size of this perfume. Oh, very sorry about my nails, by the way. I've been painting my store and it has wreaked havoc on my fingers. I'm actually headed there right after I film this video, so that's why I look like this. Although I think I technically look like this all the time, so I guess it's not really an excuse. Alrighty, next up here we have something from Dr. Brandt, and this little guy is the Microdermabrasion Age-Defying Exfoliator, and I really like it. It has like tiny little particles in it that just really get into your skin. So this is pretty nice. I do already have a full size of this though, so I'll probably pass this along to somebody else. What was that? Okay, so the next thing I have here is the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-Hour Auto Replenishing Hydrator. That's a long time. I feel like Clinique is also a pretty standard brand to see in a Macy's Beauty Box with their tiny little bottles. So this is just the little squeezy tube of it. It does seem to be pretty full, which is nice, but it does seem to also be very tiny. I'm just absolutely fascinated on how this continuously moisturizes your face for 72 hours. That's very different. All right, and the very last thing in the little box here is from Kiehl Kiehl's. This is the Glow Formula Skin Hydrator. So we have yet another little moisturizing product, and it is also a fairly small little tube. I don't know too much about Kiehl's products, so I don't know how expensive they are, but the little pamphlet here will tell us the full-size prices of all of these items. Just looking at them in front of me right now, I don't really know if I would pay $15 for these products. I do like that they sent me a $10 off coupon. I will most likely use that to order my foundation that I like because it's $42, which is insane. So let's go ahead and see what the full-size prices of these products are. The very first one we have here is the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion, which is $79 for a full size. At least I do know that a little bit goes a long way with that, and you're only supposed to use it like maybe 1 or 2 times a week. Then we have the Tony Moly I'm Lemon Eye Patch, which is $4 for these little guys. Next up, we have the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator, which is $39 full size. Then we have the Kiehl's Glow Formula Skin Hydrator, which is $38. The Philosophy Anti-Wrinkle Miracle Worker, which is $38. And then finally, the Marc Jacobs Daisy, which is $104 for 3.4 ounces. I feel like typically with Macy's Beauty Box, there's like one little tiny sample of like La Mer or something, which on its own is like 20 bucks, even though it's 0.0002 ounces. But this month, there's nothing in the box that was like crazy expensive. Maybe that's why they did the $10 off coupon. Like I said, this would definitely typically not be my favorite box, but I do really want to focus on my skin and making it less crypt keeper looking. So I'm not 100% sure about January's box, but let me know what you guys think. I do, however, really like the bag and the little puff ball that comes on it. Okie dokie. So next up here, I am assuming we have December's box, and maybe that's why it's extra heavy. Maybe they included some type of like Christmassy type gift. So I think I'm seeing where the source of the heft is coming from. So right on top here we have, oh wait, right on top here we have the little pamphlet that shows us, oh wait, this is from December. Everybody's already seen this one. And apparently last month they also gave us a $10 off coupon, which is really cool. This one expires next month, so it's still usable. And the source of the heft is from this guy right here. This looks like we have a full-size item, which I don't know if that's ever happened before in BoxyCharm. Macy's? I guess technically stuff like this is full size, but this is like a multi-use full-size item, which I'm really excited about. And this is from the brand Rituals. And this is a super like fancy shower time body kind of line. This one is the Ritual of Sakura, and it is supposed to be a sensational foaming shower gel with organic rice milk and cherry blossom. Ooh. So we have 6.7 fluid ounces of product here, which is really great. It also has like a little foaming cap, which I think is super cool. I kind of want to try it. Oops, I got my lipstick on it. Okay, nope. Oh. Alright, so it came out like not foam at all, and then it started to grow. Is that how it's supposed to go? Oh no, oh my, oh no, okay. It smells really good. So apparently that is how it is supposed to go. It comes out like a regular shower gel, and then it starts to foam. I need assistance. Anyway, let's go ahead and move on to the actual bag for last month. It is so shiny. It's like this really metallic looking rose gold, and then on the front we have that super popular like transformative sequence where one side is white in this case and the other side is rose gold. I think this is actually really pretty. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the perfume sample, which is Good Girl by Carolina Herrera, and this comes in that perfume bottle that looks like that really uncomfortable shoe. I'll go ahead and get a little spritz and a sniff. Kind of a crisp scent with a little hint of spice to it and perhaps some florals. That's probably 100% wrong. Okay, next up here we have something from Smashbox, and I feel like I just received this in something else. Or maybe not. I get a lot of subscription boxes. It's really hard for my very poor functioning memory to keep up with. But this is in the shade Man Eater, and it is a metallic liquid lipstick, and this just feels so familiar to me. I do like that Smashbox samples come with their actual standard applicator, the little doe foot with the hole in the center, because I think it's real cute. But I definitely feel like I have received this before, so I'm not going to try it on because I already have way too many samples of liquid lipstick, and I really think that I already own this. Okay, so next up here we have a little tiny thing of mascara from MAC. And I do know that they include MAC products because MAC is inside Macy's, but I think these are like the little samples you get for free when you go like purchase anything from MAC, which I wish they would include something else. But this is the MAC in Extreme Dimension Lash, and it's just one of the little hard plastic samples. I don't know, for me this just isn't too exciting. It is a standard black mascara. Next up here we have a sample of Tidal by Sunday Riley. Now I know Sunday Riley is a super expensive skincare line, but I have seen many of these samples come in other subscription boxes, perhaps even Macy's beauty box already. Yeah, like I just reached into my drawer over here and pulled out another sample of this that I received in yet another subscription box. These are pretty standard, and I'm sure in my bin of just, I'm a little too afraid to show you guys just my bin of beauty product samples. It's, the only word to describe it is a hoard, a dragon's hoard, a very mountain. It's like a mountain. So because I do know I have samples of this, I'll pass it along to somebody else. And the very last thing that I received in last month's box is from a brand that I'm going to pronounce incorrectly. This is from Borghese Roma. This is the Radiant Revitalize and Firm Mask, and this is actually something that I have never received before. I like the packaging of it, and it seems like a pretty decent sample size. You do get half an ounce of product. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. It's gold. So inside it is like a shimmery gold, like jelly type substance. So we'll give this a try. Like I said, I am trying to work on my skincare routine. I'm gonna try all sorts of stuff. So this box I did enjoy. I really like that we got a full-size product in the box. I'm very interested in seeing how much that is worth. So let's go ahead and read some full-size prices. Alrighty, so the Rituals Sensational Foaming Shower Gel is $15. So that pays for the entire price of the box, which is pretty cool. Oh, okay. So the Borghese Radiant Revitalize and Firm Mask is supposed to be a 24 karat magic look of this gold mask. Now, I don't know if they're saying that there's actually gold inside of there or if it just looks like there's gold in there. I'm not sure. But either way, it's $50, which is a pretty high price for a mask. Then we have the Sunday Riley Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream, which is $65 full size. The MAC in Extreme Dimension Lash Mascara, which is $24. The Smashbox Always On Metallic Matte, which is $24. And then the Shoe Perfume, which is $117 for 2.7 ounces. Alright, so I think that box was pretty decent as well. I'm really not sure which box I prefer. I do like that there's makeup products in the second box because I'm addicted to makeup stuff, but I'm not a huge fan of the MAC sample, and I do believe that I've already received this in another box. I am actually pretty excited for the skincare stuff. I know that's very different for me to say, but in 2019, I'm gonna take care of my skin. I'm on the fast track to 30, so I figure it's about time. But those are the two boxes that I have for you guys today. One for December, one for January. Let me know what you guys thought about the boxes down below in the comments. I'd love to hear all of your thoughts and opinions. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. So thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe if you wouldn't mind. It would mean the absolute world to me, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!